Wilson County, northwestern Marion County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McPherson, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include McPherson, Hillsborough, Galva, Canton, Gossel, Lehigh, Tampa, Durham, Roxbury, and Marion Lake. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Chase County, Marion County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from near Durham to 5 miles north of Peabody, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marion, Peabody, Florence, Burns, Lincolnville, Ramona, Tampa, Lost Springs, Elmdale, Cedar Point, Heimer, Marion Lake, One Cebu, Pilsen, and Tallgrass Prairie Preserve. Here's a look at weather conditions. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Reno County until 7 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Plevna, or 11 miles northeast of Zenith, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, South Hutchinson, Nickerson, Arlington, Partridge, Sylvia, Plevna, Abbeville, Willowbrook, Langdon, and Hutchinson Airport. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chase County, southeastern Marion County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Florence, moving east at 15 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cottonwood Falls, Strong City, Florence, Burns, Bazaar, Elmdale, Hatfield Green, Cedar Point, Heimer, One Cebu, Tallgrass Prairie, Saffordville, and Tallgrass Prairie Preserve. Here's a look at what severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Reno County, western Sedgwick County, northeastern Kingman County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Pretty Prairie, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations Cheney, Sedgwick, Colwich, Haven, Garden Plain, Mount Hope, Pretty Prairie, Andale, Bentley, Yoder, Waterloo, Cheney Lake, Mount Vernon, and Cheney State Park. A severe The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Chase County until 8 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Cottonwood Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. You can expect golf ball size hail and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cottonwood Falls, Strong City, Bazaar, Elmdale, Matfield Green, and Saffordville. Severe thunderstorm watch number 390 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties: Cowley, Harper, and Sumner. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, both in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm warning for Sedgwick County, Harvey County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from 5 miles northeast of Keach-I to near Mount Hope, moving east at 20 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Newton, Andover, Hayesville, Park City, Valley Center, Bel Air, Goddard, Mays, Cheney, Halstead, North Newton, Sedgwick, Colwich, Britton, Garden Plain, Mount Hope, Whitewater, and downtown Wichita. Flood warning in effect. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sedgwick County, Butler County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northeast Wichita, near Bel Air, moving east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Derby, El Dorado, Andover, Hayesville, Augusta, Morgan, Rose Hill, Douglas, Wanda, Benton, Whitewater, Leon, Putnam, Latham, Rosalia, Santa Fe Lake, El Dorado State Park, Augusta Municipal Airport, El Dorado Airport, and Beaumont. Here's a look at weather. issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cowley County, eastern Sumner County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from 5 miles southeast of El Dorado to 7 miles east of Douglas to near Belle Plaine, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arkansas City, Winfield, Wellington, Mulvane, Belle Plaine, Oxford, Udall, Verdon, South Haven, Dexter, Atlanta, Des Springs, Rock, Cambridge, Honeywell, Maple City, Winfield City Lake, Riverdale, Strother Field Airport, and Wellington Airport.